Hello there. Welcome back to PP Quaron Live and MaySafe presents the Skin Safe Services Week, and you're watching me on Skin Station, which is also presented to you by Serafil. So welcome to this session, and today we are going to explore the world of skin treatments. I have with me a skin expert who's going to show us the new face of facials. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we have been facing a totally new situation out here, and which has revamped the way we do skin services, treatments, even hair for that matter. And it is very important for us to come up with new protocols that involve high standards of hygiene and sanitation and minimum contact with maximum social distancing. And how all that can be achieved is going to be presented by our expert today, who's going to demonstrate a facial for us. Before I get into the demo or the interaction with her, I would like to tell you who she is. Our expert for today is Arpita, who is a cosmetologist and an international beauty educator. She is also the director of Bowness by Arpita. She is a well-known name in the industry who has taught hundreds of beauticians and cosmetologists to do their job better and to understand skin and hair services better. So, Arpita, can we please have you online? Hi there. Hi, Arpita.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you, Kanishka?
I'm doing very well. Looks like the lockdown has treated you really well. You're glowing.
Thank you. Absolutely. I think that's for most of the people. We actually got time to take up our own self. So it's
Yes.
really good. It's a good break. It
Yeah.
has its own
So
pros.
we have been spending time with ourselves, looking after ourselves a lot, and it is showing on the way we are looking, right? But we cannot negate the role that salons play in making us look better and look more presentable. And now that salons are open across most of the cities in India, this is something that we are very keen on doing, in understanding how salons are going to give out services and treatments in this whole new scenario where safety and hygiene has become the top priority for everybody. So when I came to know that you were going to talk about something called as the new face of facials, it got me very interested in wanting to know what exactly is this. We already know what facial is. We have done it a zillion times. But yes, the need of the hour is that it has to be revamped. There has to be something new to it, not just because for the sake of it, but because it is really what the times call for. So tell me, what is your take on the new face of facial?
So Kanishka, so we all know that it's unlocking phase now across India, and there
Yes.
are several state has unlocked. So I live in Gurgaon, and we are, I think, one of the first one who unlocked. The salon is unlocked on the month of
Yes.
May, I think 4th May. So we've been
Yeah.
very lucky, that we got a chance earlier than the rest of the state to go to salon and take care of our own self. But I
Absolutely.
have seen, being a skin esthetician, being a cosmetologist, and I see that people are now definitely scared, and hence they still have to go to salon. So what they're doing, they're going for their basic services, which is like a haircut or a root touch up or maximum waxing, that too bahut dar ke, which
Yeah.
was a basic essentials and everything. However, everything which we do for ourselves, be it hair, be it skin, be it waxing, everything is essential actually. There is nothing
Yes.
that we are doing, apart from makeup, there's nothing that we are doing something which is not a part of wellness, not a part of a healthy regime.
Yeah.
And same goes for skin also. I've been receiving calls. I've been talking to a lot of my students, a lot of my clients, salon owners and educators, that it's so difficult for them to convince client to get a facial done. So facial is a particular segment, a category which is really been not, people are so scared, and which is really not talked in terms of that how we can, do something, and where we can, get the confidence back of the consumer, of our own clients, to get this facial done.
Yeah.
I know a lot of my clients have been doing amazing, extraordinary, different facials, and have trained myself so many beauticians and technicians, and now they, people who are only beautician, let's thought about them, that's what
Yeah.
exactly they were doing. So I thought this is the time we all have to go back to practice, like everybody knows, we have pressed a button called a reset button in our life, and
Yes.
we are absolutely starting everything from the very new. And same goes for this this skin segment, this aesthetic segment, where we have to again start the practice back what we started very very early. But yes, with very different information, we make sure that we tell the beautician and the consumer, for both of them it's a new thing, so it's a learning phase for the consumer who is getting the facial, and also for the beautician, for both of them. There is, whatsoever we do from our end with best of the hygiene also, Kanishka, it is very difficult to get the confidence, because ultimately it comes down to trust, and ultimately
True.
it comes down to faith. Be it
Yeah.
haircut, be it everything, so if I want to give the maximum trust, the maximum hygiene practice, showcase the maximum hygiene to my client, so that they can trust me. Now, there's always a rapport with my client,
Yeah.
and that is always there. And maybe they convinced with 60% with that rapport. However, it was so difficult to convince the rest of the 40% when it comes to literally get a facial done, lie down with the closest contact. So it's very, very hard. So
Yeah.
while I'm thinking while I was thinking about all those things, मुझे लगा कि I think there are, if there are 100 steps to a facial, starting from a client enter and the client goes back to the reception, if we can literally give at least 60%, 60% from those steps with hygiene, I think there is a way, there's a 1% chance the client will be convinced, and they may say, okay, I am ready to take the risk, because I know the client will not lie down today in today's date with 100% confidence that, okay, nothing will happen to me. There will be always something going in their brain that, okay, what if, am I safe? Why she's not hurrying up? Why she's taking so much time? If she's taking a deep breath, if she's sneezing, if she's kind of doing anything. So the client constantly conscious about the activity which is going around with the person who is touching the client. So in सबको हम नहीं ignore कर सकते. It is not possible for today. And people say no touch facial. We can do a low touch facial, even the less contact, to try to give our client that, okay, I'm ready to give that facial to you with best of my practice, and make sure that I touch you as low as I can,
as less as
I
possible.
can. Yeah, as less as I can. So I guess with all those knowledge and all those information, when we share with our client, it will be amazing, to see that the client will come back to us with that kind of trust. It's a one time the client, we have to break that ice of trust between the client and us. And after that, I think it'll be very, very good. And I think talking about a lot of association like BWSSC and so many other association has come out with those really COVID protection norms, which everybody, we try to teach so many people, Kanishka, in our own capacity, to make sure that even every beautician, every technician in this industry can at least do 80% of, I know not everybody will do 100%, it's not possible sometimes, but at least 80% अगर भी वो लोग इस पे नजर, उसको ध्यान में रख के अपना service provide करते हैं, तो it is excellent. I think that would be excellent. And so many brands have come across, in terms of putting the disposable, in terms of putting the right way of using the disposable. So वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा help करा, it really helped us a lot, for beautician, for technician like us, to tell our client that everything you are using is disposable only for you. Every salon, I've been seeing all the videos of so many salons that they are multiple checks, before the client get a service done. And I think it's all going really nice. All we have to do that this particular service, the section of skin, should be also consider, and the client should not have that kind of apprehensive to get a facial done. So what I have decided today, that with best of my knowledge, with best of whatever information I have, I will try to show a facial, a quick facial, because client abhi wo ek ghante wala facial nahi karwayenge. A quick facial that I am touching the clients the minimum. And also, Kanishka, before I start the facial, I want to show a particular thing, which is this gloves, where like everybody, I don't know if it's visible, so everybody using this gloves. So we generally get 3 variation of gloves in the market. One is latex, one is vinyl, and one is nitrite, the blue and the black one, sorry too. So now in terms of latex, these gloves are very good when you're performing, like a haircut or anything, or waxing, though it's uncomfortable always, but we still have to do this. But yes, when it comes to facial, I will tell them to use a vinyl, and there is a reason behind it. Compared to all the other texture, vinyl is much more easier, much more safe to perform a facial. So मैं ये suggest करूंगी कि अगर आप facial कर रहे हो और client आपके पास आ गया है, so try to use a vinyl gloves compared to any other, in terms of using latex or any other variation of the gloves. So यहाँ से हम लोग start कर रहे हैं. The client को हम लोगों ने सबसे पहले बोलना है that I am going to use everything which is really important to perform a service which is related to skin, which is one of your organ, the biggest organ. So वो बहुत important है. And we have been receiving so many disposable kits. We have received a kit from MeSafe. It's really an interesting concept, and I really thank the company to create such kind of kits, which is makes life more easier. So you don't have to be put your, you can still buy disposable loosely, but again, it's the minimum touch we are doing it, because whenever you put disposable in your cupboard or any stock room, you still, there are multiple therapists and technicians touching those sheets. So end of the day, हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं से थोड़ा बहुत contamination कर रहे हैं, even without knowing that we are doing it. So these kits are really helpful, and I've seen the entire variety, which is really nice. And I will be using one of this kit today while I'm performing this facial with my vinyl gloves. And I'm gonna tell my clients and all the viewers that how you should perform the facial with not complete confidence, like maximum confidence of your client, with your client. And I think that will help, that will really help your clients to come back and get back to the skin regime, and we will all be good at some point of time, I'm sure.
Great. So Arpita, I will not take up the screen space anymore. I'm going off screen so that the audience are able to view you and the procedure entirely. However, I'll be there in the background. If there are any questions that I want to ask or are coming from the viewers, I will ask them on their behalf. Okay?
Sure.
Okay, one quick comment for my viewers. If you have any questions, आपको कुछ भी सवाल है उस प्रोसीजर के बारे में जो अभी अर्पिता हमें दिखाने वाली है, या जनरली फेशियल और स्किन सर्विसेज के बारे में, तो हमसे प्लीज पूछिए. कमेंट सेक्शन में अपने क्वेश्चंस रखिए और मैं अर्पिता को आपके बिहाफ पर वो सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछ लूंगी. Thank you so much guys for joining us today, and keep watching as Arpita is going to show us an amazing low touch facial. Over to you, Arpita. I'm going off screen now. Have a good time.
Thank you so much, Kanishka. Okay, I think it's to all the people who are watching me right now, and to start my facial, the first very important thing that which every salon are doing is sterilizing. So सबसे पहले हम लोग इस particular room code where I am performing a facial, I'm gonna sterilize, and I will show that I'm sterilizing everything. Yeah, so whenever your clients come, it's very important कि आप सबसे पहले इसको complete area को sterilize कर ले properly, and then you really need to make sure that the client wait for like 2 minutes so that जितने भी ये धुआं, ये fumes सारे हुए, it should go away. because otherwise it's going to be really uncomfortable for the client. Most of the cubicles जो salon में होते हैं वो बहुत छोटे होते हैं, बहुत tight होते हैं. So, but हम client को 2 minute wait करवा के, if we do this process, it's really important, and it's going to be very helpful for your client to understand that yes, it is, you're taking care of all the safety measures. And now we have our model, and I'll make sure that I'll prepare my model properly before I perform the facial on her. Okay, so absolutely. I think the camera can be a little bit more like this. Yes, it's perfect. Yes, okay. Yeah, I want to make sure that our client को जब भी facial you really have to tell client that ma'am, just check all before even you perform a facial. I think वो general practice हर एक salon में आप लोग कर रहे हैं. Make sure that you do a consultation, you fill a consultation form. Make sure that you are taking all the temperature check and all the PPE kit has been, you have bought all the PPE kit, and I'm going to, also wearing my mask and everything. And make sure the client comes, you check the temperature, sterilize the client, or with, give them sanitizer. So all जितने भी ये आपके protocols हैं salon में आजकल जो चल रहे हैं, please do everything. And on top of that, before you perform the facial, sterilize again everything, give a particular individual kit to your client for the facial gown, and please inform your client that everything is single use and only, this is only for you, and there is no reusable, nothing like that. So I'm doing this facial where I actually want to use all the products, where use all the products which are basically one-time use. We are going to use all the products which are monodose packaging, because people are encouraging monodose these days, and also it's very safe, and client will feel good, because मुझे नहीं पता कि कोरोना वायरस अभी तक ये प्रूफ हुआ है कि नहीं कि वो एयरबॉर्न है, और तो हम लोग कोई भी ऐसे अगर जार खोल के रख देंगे, so you never know. So in that case, it's very important that हम लोग कोई भी इस तरीके से sachet वाले product use करें, and we can always take those products directly in the brush and just apply. And right now, what I'm doing is I've already prepared my client, and I'm going to do the headband again. Just lift your head. Lift your head a little more. Yeah, lie down. So I'm in a mall where you have to really control the AC, and sweating a lot. Okay, and सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है that आप खुद का अपना हाथ सब कुछ स्टेरलाइज कर, पहले धो लीजिए, फिर स्टेरलाइज कीजिए, सैनिटाइज कीजिए, लाइक अपने हाथ को स्टेरलाइज मत कीजिए, सारे इक्विपमेंट को स्टेरलाइज कीजिए, हाथ को सैनिटाइज कीजिए, and then you wear the gloves and the mask before even you performing this facial. With my client, I have checked, I have done all the protocols. इनका temperature check हो गया है, इनको हम लोगों ने properly sanitize करवाया है. We make sure that the PPE kit has been given to her. She wore it. हमने in fact अपने इस particular salon में हमने एक oximeter भी रखा है. We have checked all those things. We have taken a history, medical history of the client कि वो कहीं बाहर travel किया है, उनकी family में या उनके neighborhood में किसी को कोई भी affected है कि नहीं. So yes, those are general information जो आपको लेना ही लेना है to any client, whether आपके salon में जो भी client आता है. And now I'm going to sanitize and wear my gloves. So basically क्या है कि जब भी हम facial करते हैं, whenever we've been doing facial, we are always like sanitize. So we were doing before also. We were anyway maintaining all those hygiene even before the COVID situation. हम लोग always जब भी हम लोग अपने beauticians को train करते हैं, I always tell them that please make sure that you do all the like all the equipment, all the tools are sterilized, you are sanitized, आपका हाथ धुल के and then sanitize it again. So we've been doing all this thing anyway. And being an educator or being an esthetician, हम लोग वैसे भी being a facialist, हम लोग वैसे भी we are much more conscious because we are doing a service जब हम client के सबसे ज़्यादा close contact में हैं. So we need to make sure that हम लोग पहले भी ये सारा maintain करते थे, अभी हम लोग double सारा maintain करेंगे. So any kind of what you need to do, I think these days is very important that जितना आप client के साथ जितना client से आप information ले सकते हैं, and जितना आप client को इस confidence में ला सकते हैं that you are doing all the procedure of hygiene and everything, उतना ही better है, I guess, because आज नहीं तो कल, today or tomorrow, your client will definitely come back to you for all these kind of services. और अगर for the timing वो नहीं भी आते, you can encourage them, you can be in touch with them and encourage them to use nice retail product, ask them to invest in nice good retail product so that they can maintain a good skin. And when everything goes back to normal, they can come and get a treatment done. Retail product is never a substitute for a good facial treatment. We all know that. But yes, हम लोग बिल्कुल ही zero से start करें skin की treatment उससे पहले. At least if a client is using a retail product, so the skin is still still is in a nice condition while not using the product at all. Right. So I'm standing at home. So what happened, like when we are kind of एक बार आपने gloves वगैरह पहन लिए, you tell your clients that ma'am I will be doing a very quick facial. Make sure that I am not very close to you, and that is the reason we have this facial stand. You can these are very much available now in the market. You can take this facial stand. So like other client का confidence के ऊपर है. If a client is comfortable enough for you to perform like this, you're fine. But if you really think there's a new client, you can always stand and very nicely you can do the facial. It's really comfortable. कोई ऐसा problem नहीं है. And clients का भी एक थोड़ा सा importance client को भी लगेगा कि yes, they have really taken care of it in terms of all the hygiene and everything. बहुत easily ऐसे fix हो जाता है. And you can easily do all this facial. And इसको आप किसी भी तरीके से थोड़ा सा ऐसा लिफ्ट वगैरह कर सकते हैं. So it's really easy. मैं इसको रख के फेशियल करके ट्राई करती हूँ. So the reason we are doing this particular live session because I want to tell everybody that हम लोग को मसाज एंड हम लोग को हर प्रोडक्ट को लगाने के लिए हम लोग को स्किन को टच करना पड़ता था. हम लोग इस तरीके से पूरा फेशियल करते थे. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, वी कैन यूज स्पैचुला. हम लोग को फिर यूज स्पैचुला टू टेक द प्रोडक्ट आउट, यूज स्पैचुला टू अप्लाई इट ऑन द स्किन. एंड उसके बाद आप हल्का सा अपने हाथों से एज ए मिनिमम, वेरी मिनिमम टच करके स्किन को थोड़ा सा इमल्सिफाई कर सकते हैं. इनफैक्ट आई लाइक टू यूज these kind of brushes also abhi for the typing ke liye, so that I don't have to touch the skin a lot. And सबसे पहले हम लोग क्लींजर के लिए हम लोग इस तरीके से क्लींजिंग करने के लिए हम लोगों ने इस पे कॉटन पे ये सारा क्लींजर लगाया. And we will start the cleansing. Please close your eyes. So it's very comfortable. I thought, initially I thought it will be very difficult for me to. There's so much of barrier between me and the client skin to see, but I think it's very easy to perform like this. And as much as the client is comfortable and your posture of doing this facial is comfortable. So हमने फटाफट एक cleanser किया. We take the makeup out and everything, and I will suggest that next generally facial में steps क्या होता है? We do cleanser, we do exfoliation, we do serum or a cream massage, we do mask, and we do massage, which clients actually want. They look forward for nice massage for detoxification, take the toxins out. तो वो सब कुछ हम कर सकते हैं. All we have to be careful that we are not touching the skin. First of all, we are wearing gloves, so we are not anyway directly touching the skin. We have this barrier, we have mask, so there are two barriers again between me and client already. And on top of that, I will be using all the product applying with brush. So even if it's an exfoliation or a scrub, this is just a technique depending on the product. There are नाइस स्क्रब जिसका ब्रश के साथ भी इस तरह से घुमा घुमा के ब्रश के साथ भी आप बहुत अच्छे से स्क्रब कर सकते हैं. You don't have to touch the skin, and doing with your hand, you can obviously do that. So I have taken out a little bit of scrub. I'm mixing with water. And जितने भी, if you are using any product directly also, which is from tube and anything, this kind of tube you are using it, take the product out directly in the brush or a spatula so that you are applying. So you need to make sure that हम लोग कितना whatever product I'm using it on client with best way to take the product out directly and not applying in your hand, not taking out in your hand and directly doing it on client skin. So we have to find out, because different products are there in different kind of jar, bottle, sachets. So what I'm doing is like a scrub, and I'm not going to touch the client's skin. I am going to scrub with the brush only. So I have taken a particular scrub which is very, very mild. You have to be very careful these days whenever you're doing a scrub. So the granule has to be very, very mild so that it doesn't, because most of the clients are getting sensitive skin. Anyway, you have to pick up products which is based on client skin and client skin type and client skin condition. But I'm doing a particular scrub which is only with the brush. I don't want to touch the skin right now. We used to do these kind of technique before also. I remember one of my students had a very, very sensitive skin, like literally a very, very thin skin texture. And she wants to use like a very mild scrub, and we were all scared to touch her skin. And so we used to do scrubbing, exfoliation, because we want to make sure that we take the toxins out and the free radicals out also. So हम लोग ये इस तरीके से brush से उसके फेशियल करते हुए ऐसे एक्सफोलिएशन करते थे. Are you comfortable, ma'am?
Yes.
So yes, after the exfoliation, we just depending on the product, what we can do, we just leave it for 2 minutes because the product which I'm applying today, we have to leave it for 2 minutes and then we have to remove it. This is one of the technique, where you can do a scrub exfoliation without touching the client's skin with a brush, and also depending on the skin type and condition, आप peel use कर सकते हैं. There are mild glycolic peel also which you can use it. उसके अंदर तो आप वैसे भी इस particular product को touch नहीं करते. It is always with the application brush. So we have done this and now we want to clean the exfoliation and use cotton or a disposable wise. I prefer using cotton while removing any product because it's always very. It's done. It's very neatly done always with cotton. So Kanishka, if you're there, if you can let me know if anybody have any questions so far. So I can answer while I'm cleaning this exfoliation, the scrub. So just clean it properly as much as um, you're comfortable and the client is comfortable. So since we know that we are client will not be since we know that we are at this position जब हम लोग client के ऊपर बहुत लंबा facial maybe नहीं कर सकते हैं, और depending on the client also, and we want to make it a quick service for the client, and क्योंकि वो first time काफी महीनों के बाद she is performing a facial. So I think being a technical person, I would suggest most the beautician that try using product जो बहुत ही quick effect करेगा in terms of that. जैसे मैंने mask लगाया, if I have to keep it instead of 10 minutes, if I just keep it for 5 minutes, and massage जो भी मैं perform करूँगी instead of 15 minutes, if I can just do a nice massage technique for 5 minutes. Vinyl gloves का एक और फायदा है that whenever you're taking a cream, like after the exfoliation, I will use the toner, and but this exfoliation was really mild, so I'm not using a toner. It's already have a pH balance properties in the exfoliation itself. Now I will be doing a massage quickly and make sure that I don't rub the skin a lot. One of this important information that whenever you're using a gloves and doing a facial, people always think it's comfortable nahi hai, and it has a very bad smell. And my facial hair are really, it's because of my facial hair, the rubber is sticking to it, and some kind of problems. So I think, and I feel the same because the first time when I was getting a facial done with the gloves on, I felt it's really, really, really uncomfortable. And then I decided that, okay, I will really look for a very interesting gloves जिससे हम कुछ किसी भी तरीके से massage करें. It should not make client uncomfortable. एक और चीज हो जाता है ग्लव्स पहनने से, if you are doing a facial, so whatever product you are taking in your hand, वो पूरा का पूरा क्लाइंट के ही स्किन में पेनिट्रेट होता है। अर्लियर पहले क्या होता था, व्हाटएवर प्रोडक्ट यू आर टेकिंग है वो आपका स्किन में भी पेनिट्रेट होता था थोड़ा बहुत, बिकॉज यू आर मसाजिंग, यू आर स्टिमुलेटिंग द स्किन एंड एज वेल एज आपके भी हाथ, ब्यूटिशियंस के भी हाथ स्टिमुलेट हो रहे हैं, एंड प्रोडक्ट थोड़ा सा ब्यूटिशियंस के हाथ में भी लगता था, थोड़ा सा क्लाइंट के स्किन में भी, सो दोनों जगह पे पेनिट्रेट होता था। But with vinyl gloves, the entire particular product is directly penetrating in client's skin. So we have our we are doing a remixing a particular cream with water. So these days they are very nice product line I can see in the markets. This is one of the products, I don't know, which is very interesting, which is comes in a capsule, and I'm mixing them with water, and it just create a very nice cream, kind of a gel and a cream. And I'm going to use it. So after massage, you know, I actually want to use a sheet mask because I think it's very quick, it's very easy, and it's also come in a universe packing instead of applying a cream mask or a peel-level mask. I think these days the quicker the process is, the better it is. So, and there are so many different variety of sheet masks available. Different brands, and they are also very interesting masks which I love a lot, are biocellulose mask. It also comes just like a sheet mask but with a very different base. Is this comfortable, ma'am, for you? So yeah, we can, instead of 15-minute massage earlier, what we used to do, we can absolutely just short the time and make it 10 minutes these days. And then later on, I think the client skin will at least start reacting to the product, because the clients are using the client is doing facial like after 3 months, 4 months of break. So at least हम थोड़ा सा उसको एक start beginning कर सकते हैं with a short treatment, and then later on when the client is comfortable can come for your proper problematic treatment, when whatever the consultation you have done with your clients. So after doing a 10 minutes quick nice massage, the next step I'm applying a sheet mask to this client, and I believe that again that's one of the reason the client will be comfortable, because I am not taking any mask from a particular jar which is open in the air, or I'm mixing it kind of with hand or any kind of wooden spatula. Like for me, I'm trying that as much as I can protect my client from any kind of product which she is saying is out in the air for a longer time. I'm using a particular sheet mask. I personally like sheet mask a lot, and I think just a cleanser, exfoliation, and a quick massage and a mask, a sheet mask will really helpful for client to do quick treatment these days because the client doesn't want to be with someone for a longer period of time. Beauticians, maybe the client is coming close to a beautician, but at least there's a satisfaction कि मैं बहुत लंबा उस रूम में नहीं रही हूँ. Just it's all in our mind basically. So I can apply this mask nicely, and it's with sheet mask. It's very interesting because first of all we just apply it and leave it like this. We can just kind of we don't have to kind of apply, and it doesn't take time. We actually basically save on time, and also it's the ingredients are very kind of, I would say. It's depending on the mask. Most of the ingredients are very quickly absorbed in our skin, and it's easy to remove. So we don't have to spend time on applying, and then we don't have to spend time on removing it compared to other cream-based masks or other mixing masks. So it's just you take it out from the pouch, apply it, leave it for 5-6 minutes, remove it, and that's all. So I think this way, this is you can. I tried my best that while I do a facial to my client, what is the best way to perform it with all kind of safety and to make sure that your all the products you're using is literally unidose, monodose packaging, one-time use. You're touching your client less, using the right gloves. So ये सब अगर आप ये सब कुछ ध्यान में रखेंगे, I don't think there's a problem of performing a facial. Clients हमारे पास वैसे भी waxing and manicure pedicure करवाए गए, which I got to know from my salon clients, salon owners, that if a client can get a pedicure done or a waxing done, the client can also get a facial done too, right? It's the same kind of distance we are coming in front of the client while doing a service. I guess. अगर हम थोड़ा सा इस पे ध्यान दें and do a right way of using all those protection and gloves and everything, I don't think so there's a problem, for us to perform a facial. The only difference here is that waxing and manicure pedicure करते हुए client is wearing a mask, and here the client cannot wear a mask. That is the only difference. But if you show yourself that equally to the client, if you tell your client that I have completely taken care of myself, my family, or my neighborhood, nowhere there was a COVID person, there was nobody had a COVID, and I'm using this kind of all the protection barriers and everything, I think the client will still take a chance to get a facial done without a mask. So that's the only difference, between a mani-pedi waxing versus a facial right now. So I think we just need to get back to some practice. We need to make sure that we give the right information to the client, the right and the right method we should do it. And I don't think so it should be a problem doing a facial in this lockdown or unlockdown period and in this entire pandemic situation. So I think it's not a problem at all. Okay, Kanishka, I have finished I'm going to remove this mask in after 10 minutes. Meanwhile, if you can just come in the window and tell me if there is any question, I would like to answer that.
Yes, sure. Arpita, just give me 1 minute.
Sure.
I will ask you a few questions about this procedure.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, I'm back. Okay, so it was great of you to go into all the details and show us the entire procedure step by step. What I want to know from you is from these step by steps that you have showed us, which is the most important and mandatory thing that should not be skipped at all and that will ensure that the client will have confidence in you?
In terms of product, to make it more shorter, I think right now we should just do cleansing, which is very important. Exfoliation is important because clients are coming for a professional facial to get a nice exfoliation done. We cannot
Yeah.
skip that. There are facials kit where there's a serum massage as well as a cream massage. I think we can skip one of those steps and just do one of the massage right now.
Yeah.
And if the client is okay with just a serum application and not getting a massage done, we can do that. So between serum
Yeah.
and cream, we can choose. Even for a mask, But if we have done an exfoliation, we can put a serum and we can just do a mask, a quick mask, because mask is an important step. And in terms of, we can skip right now the extractions because we have to come really close to the client. Instead of that,
Yes.
nice exfoliation that it just takes out the whiteheads and blackheads automatically.
Yeah.
Try using not the steamer and everything, at the moment. Just avoid them. And I think there are products available in the market which has a self-heating feeling, sensation. Those are
Yeah.
interesting. So we have to do a lot of, learning and lot of R&D before we choose a particular product during this
Yeah.
time when we are performing a facial. Yes.
Right. Also, is it advisable to avoid clients that have active acne?
It was always advisable in our industry, to avoid, to not perform any facial if you are
Yeah.
not aware of it, the actual problem and which grade the acne is. At
Yeah.
this point of time, we should avoid acne because we are not doing anywhere a proper acne treatment. Most of the
Yeah.
acne treatment goes to the dermatologist, and the oily and combination skin people comes to us from,
Yes.
because we are esthetician, we only work on a particular layer of skin.
Yes.
So if a client is coming with an acne and not in like too much of heavy acne and a limited acne for oily combination because of the weather, मुझे लगता है कि उसके पास ऐसा प्रोडक्ट होना चाहिए which we can subside acne and take care of it acne for the timing के लिए, and you're
Okay.
anyway wearing gloves and all the protection. So I would say कि आप नहीं ले सकते, आप ले सकते हैं, but do the consultation properly and make sure that you use the right product. And आपको हर step को वैसे ही छोटा करना है. We are now actually squeezing down all the steps, in terms of
Yeah.
time. So this
Yeah.
is what we do.
एंड व्हाट अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट यूसेज? फेशियल के वक्त जो हम प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करते हैं, पहले हमारे पास बड़े बड़े जार्स होते थे जिसमें हम स्कूप करके लेते थे. क्या अभी मोनोडोजेस वाले पैकेट्स लेना ज्यादा समझदारी है?
Absolutely. I think before even the whole thing was starting up, I think there are a lot of chain salon, corporate chain salon, were absolutely opting for monodose because it's always quality control, quantity
Yeah.
control, and volume control and everything. But now
Yes.
it should be more serious. It should be more mandatory for every person to opt for monodose packaging. Because first of all, it's one-time use that is there. Second, when you taking out the product from the sachet, it's not in the air for a very longer time. आपने उसको निकाला और अप्लाई किया. जार में क्या होता है कि
Okay.
आपने ढक्कन खोला, एयर के अंदर वो खुला रहा काफी देर तक, फिर आपने बंद किया. So yes, we want to avoid all this situation at this point of time and want to shift to monodose right now. And also,
Right. That's a very valid point.
also in terms of the mask and everything, I think आजकल जो वो मिक्सिंग मास्क वगैरह या क्रीम बेस्ड मास्क अवॉइड करें बिकॉज टाइम कंज्यूमिंग होता है. You can
Yeah.
just opt for this quick sheet mask आप लगा सकते हैं. For the matter, peel off mask भी अगर मोनोडोज में, there are peel off mask जो पाउडर में लगाते हैं, वो डब्बा खुला रहता है, वो पूरा 1 किलो के जार में आता है. I think instead of that, if you can use these kind of monodose peel off mask, वो भी बहुत इजी रहता है कि आपने खोला, सारा डाला, मिक्स किया and लगा दिया, because they have very nice properties also.
Right. Right. Also, कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शंस है जो आप देना चाहेंगे विद रिगार्ड्स टू किस तरह के रूम में फेशियल्स किया जाए? एसी ऑन रखनी है, नहीं रखनी है, डोर लॉक होना चाहिए, नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसे कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शंस हैं?
See, the starting of my video, I've said that generally जो भी cubicles होते हैं हमारे salon के अंदर वो बहुत ही छोटे होते हैं. Most of the
हाँ.
times space का constant रहता है. तो
जी.
आप एक चीज बहुत important है that client उस cubicle में जाने से पहले आप उसको, जैसे मैंने किया था, पूरे इस cubicle को sterilize करो and everything. and then wait for 2 minutes because उसमें वैसे भी air pass होने का कोई तरीका नहीं होता. Hardly any cubicle I've seen in my life which has a special exhaust in every cubicle. So उसको
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा door open करके रखिए so that all the जो fumes और ये सब है वो निकल जाए. And at this, अब हम लोग door open करके facial नहीं कर सकते because client is wearing a facial gown, so we need to
Yeah.
make sure वो privacy रहे. So and ACs तो वैसे भी हमको instruction है from the government to keep it between 25 to 30 degree. So अगर central AC है, हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. If it's a room AC inside the cubicle, on the power is in our hand, we rather switch it off. As it's all come down to client comfort level, Kanishka, because client कितना
Yes.
comfort है.
राइट, वेरी ट्रू. फेशियल के अलावा जो स्किन सर्विसेज है जो हमारे फेशियल रूम्स में लिए जाते हैं, जैसे कि कुछ सैलून्स बैक पॉलिशिंग ऑफर करते हैं या बॉडी मसाजेस भी ऑफर करते हैं, ये सारे ट्रीटमेंट्स के लिए क्या इंस्ट्रक्शंस देना चाहेंगे आप?
See, okay, talking about body massages like the body spa and everything, अभी तो बिल्कुल नहीं करना चाहिए, and I don't think so कोई client उसको अभी करवाना चाहेगा because body spa is the most common, most close connection between the client and the technician, because उसके अंदर काफी लंबे टाइम तक आप client के close connection में रहते हैं, and there is no way. It's very difficult to do a body massage with gloves on because आपका pressure point नहीं बैठेगा, आपका hand slip हो जाएगा, कोई particular nerve दब सकता है, you may get a slip disc also, if you don't press the right nerves and the thing. So definitely avoidable at the moment. If a client is performing a back polishing and everything, again it's easy because the client is lying down. Just the way the client is lying down for the facial, आपने brush के साथ apply किया. Try not using your hands as much as you can. और अगर आपको हाथ use भी करना पड़ रहा है, तो gloves पहनिए. It's Kanishka, the main problem what I faced, that client was saying कि we don't have the right nerves. और जैसे वो लोग मसाज करते हैं ना, वो hair का जो facial hair या skin hair होता है हमारे जो, वो बहुत खिंचता है. So I wanted to make sure that please wear a gloves which is tight in your hand so that it's not loose.
Yes.
So loose होने से भी वो बहुत ज़्यादा खींचेगा ना, वो ring उसका वो ring बनेगा. So these are very small things which is very important for people to understand and make sure that हम इस पे compromise ना करें, right? कि gloves नहीं हमने छोड़ दिया और हमने regular हाथ से कर दिया, we cannot do that, not because of client. Try to take care of your own self also. It's equally precious for both for client and you. So इसलिए मैंने gloves पर ध्यान दिया था. ये gloves honestly vinyl के मिलते ही नहीं है. If any brand is watching this video, please guys, any brand, please get more vinyl gloves in India. I have searched myself. Vinyl के gloves available ही नहीं है. I've actually given them a business revenue. So it's all it's all latex what we use it.
Yeah, I hope your prayers are answered soon. One last question, Arpita. After the service is done and the client has walked out of your treatment room, ब्यूटिशियन को या थेरेपिस्ट को क्या करना चाहिए? उनका जो गियर है वो किस तरह से डिस्कार्ड करना चाहिए और नेक्स्ट क्लाइंट के लिए कैसे रेडी होना चाहिए?
Very important point, Kanishka. So once the client is out after the billing, the first thing that beautician, the technician should do, जितना भी उसने वो PPE किट और वो एप्रन पहना है, उसको immediately आप एक रोल कीजिए, कट कीजिए and dry bag. आजकल हर जगह पे wet garbage and dry garbage की कैबिन होते हैं, इसको dry garbage में इसको कट करके डाल दीजिए properly तरीके से. आप अपने
कट करना क्यों जरूरी होता है?
So that anybody should not reuse it also.
Okay.
इसलिए हम लोग उसको कट करके डाल देते हैं because we don't know कि ये garbage कहाँ पे लेके जाना है. हमने अपने हिंदी Bollywood movies में we have seen people collecting stuff from a garbage, dump areas. So we just want to destroy it so that it's cannot be usable. Most of the things are anyway biodegradable, but हम नहीं चाहते कि कोई भी छोटा बच्चा वहाँ से garbage bin में से निकाले, right? और उसको किसी तरीके से धो धा के दोबारा use करे. इसलिए cutting is very important. And उसके बाद there are sanitizer spray available in the market. I carry one with me every time in my purse. Even exchanging card or money, आप उसको कर दो, right? So it has to come as a religious practice in your life now कि आप उसको करिए. So once the client is out, take that spray and just spray yourself a lot.
Yeah.
not whatever is required. उसको कर लीजिए properly. Get back to the room. Clean every corner and every inch of that room properly. Whether वो inch उस particular inch या feet पे आप खड़े हुए या नहीं खड़े हुए हो, just cleaning everything very properly, including a bed sheet, rubbing it with the alcohol, all the beds, corners, stand, trolley, everything possible. Just clean it, and then and that's how you can take your next client in it, and
Right.
with again a PPE kit and everything.
And it's also mandatory for the skin therapist to change their gloves and mask after every treatment.
Absolutely. After every service, not skin. I think even with hair, even with waxing, manicure, everything, they have
Yeah.
to change the gloves and their mouth mask. I know it's an added cost to salon, but we have to live with this particular thing right now.
True.
We can't help it. So
That's
it's
true.
very important because क्लाइंट का मास्क अगर आपका वॉशेबल भी है ना, आई वुड सजेस्ट दैट सलोन के अंदर आप वो वॉशेबल कॉटन मत पहनिए, यही वाला पहनिए जो फेंक सकते हैं, क्योंकि वो वाला फेंक नहीं सकते, यू हैव टू वेयर इट फॉर द एंटायर डे, सो डोंट वेयर
Yeah.
दिस. मैं खुद वो फैंसी ग्लव्स पहनती नहीं हूँ. विद ऑल माय फैंसी ड्रेस आई वेयर दिस ग्लव, दिस मास्क only because I know I have to throw them out. So it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter, because आप
Right.
कितना फैंसी ग्लव्स mask पहनेंगे. I think I'm good with this so that I can just throw this out here.
Yes. So now can we see your model after you remove the mask from her
Sure.
face? Yes.
Here you go. And well, I have not touched anything, but I'm just kind of still sanitizing it properly. And you just take this mask out. Take where it is. Take a cotton, wet cotton. And take the extra serums and extras from the topical layer of her skin. Open your eyes. Right. I absolutely think that her skin was really, it was her skin was before the facial. When I was doing a consultation with her, I was telling
Yeah.
her that you really have to take care of your skin because the skin was completely uneven. Though we have not done the entire process in terms of the timing, but I think the product was really nice.
Yeah.
That it actually gave a very good result to her skin. And I will remove this now. Yeah. Yeah, so here you go. So the idea is to make sure that we all have to, try wearing these nice gloves and doing the facial. मुझे नहीं लगता Kanishka, if you are a model, after watching this video, I think you would be really happy to come and get a facial done from us.
Absolutely. After seeing all the
safety
safety measures that you have put in place, मेरे मन में तो कोई शक नहीं है कि ये बहुत ही सेफ मेथड है फेशियल करने का. और अगर किसी की स्किन की रिक्वायरमेंट है कि फेशियल किया जाए तो उन लोगों को जरूर जाके ट्राई करना चाहिए. हाँ, अगर आप अवॉइड कर सकते हैं, आपकी स्किन हेल्दी है और फिलहाल जरूरत नहीं है तो मे बी मत भी जाइए. पर इफ योर स्किन डिमांड्स इट, यू कैन जाइए, बेफिक्र होके जाइए एंड ट्रस्ट योर थेरेपिस्ट टू डू द बेस्ट इन दिस इंटरेस्ट ऑफ सेफ्टी फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस.
Absolutely. I think अगर आपकी skin healthy है तो just buy a retail product from any e-commerce, a nice one, and just be with that, live with that.
Yeah. अर्पिता, आपने हमारा सेशन अटेंड किया और इतने अच्छे से हमें पूरा प्रोसेस एक्सप्लेन किया, इतने अच्छे से अपने मॉडल पर डेमोन्स्ट्रेट किया, इसके लिए वी आर वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू यू। ऐसे ही एनकरेजिंग एजुकेटर्स की हमें जरूरत है जो थेरेपिस्ट का कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाए, ताकि वो लोग अल्टीमेटली कस्टमर्स का कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ा सके। सो आई एम रियली ग्लैड you could come make it for this session, and here is goodbye to you from
Thank you
the
so
team of
much.
Professional Beauty. And to my viewers, thank you for being with us throughout this entire session, and for your encouraging comments as well. You are watching us on PB Corner Live. Me Safe and Ceraphil presents Skin Session, and keep watching because we have more sessions coming up for you throughout this week. Thank you. Arpita, thank you once again, and you take
Thank
care.
you so much. Thank you everyone for watching this. Thank you so much.